Mumbo sauce chicken wings. What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I'm returning with another banger. All right, this right here is a DC staple, and I'm bringing it to each and every one of your kitchens. We have these amazing crispy chicken wings complemented with this delicious Mumbo sauce. So easy to make, and you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right on into it. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna begin with this little marinade for our chicken wings. On the screen, I have displayed everything you need to get this together, and it will be in the description box as well for you to reference to later on. So go ahead and get everything into a bowl, as well as this club soda. This is the magic ingredient right here. The carbonation from that club soda makes your chicken extra crispy. Please believe me, this is a proven method right here in my favorite way to fry dang near anything. All right, so I'm just gonna add in a little bit more club soda. I want it to be a little bit looser as far as the consistency, and once I have everything well combined, don't forget to kind of scoop the bottom of your bowl and whatnot. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of raw flour just stuck, not mixing to anything. So like I said, go ahead and get everything combined. You should have a consistency like this. Go ahead and dump all your chicken. We're working with about, I would say, 1.5 pounds of some chicken wings. Get them in this little marinade right here, a mixture, whatever you want to call it. And you want to get everything well coated up and covered in it. And I'm just going to top this off and set it off to the side as we work on that Mumbo sauce. Okay, that Mumbo sauce is definitely something special, so good, so different. And of course, I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce, but if you're feeling a little bit lazy, this is a awesome brand of Mumbo sauce. I have it on my Amazon storefront down in the description box for you to purchase if you want to. So on the screen, I have listed everything you need to get your Mumbo sauce together. And I have to give a special thanks to Soul Food Cooking, because she has the best recipe for Mumbo sauce, and that's where we got it from. So I got to give credit where credit is due. Go ahead and get your pineapple juice, your vinegar into the pan, as well as your brown sugar. And you want to go ahead and give that a mix until your brown sugar is dissolved, baby. And once that brown sugar is dissolved, you want to go ahead and toss in your ketchup, and we're going to also toss in some hot sauce and paprika. If you want to add a little bit of spice to this recipe right here, you can add a little bit of cayenne pepper as well. And that'll take this sauce from a mild to a hot, if you know what I mean. So like I said, get everything in the pan well combined, let it come to a simmer, okay? And once that is taken care of, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the chicken and get these bad boys frying. So let me know in the comments below, are you team drums or are you team flats? You already know what it is. Flats is where it's at. I don't know why, there's just something special about them. If I had a choice, it's all flats, baby. And look at this sauce right here. It is looking amazing. I'm gonna hit you with a little bit of slow-mo right quick. Wow, wow, and wow, that looks so good. You want to go ahead and put that sauce off to the side while we work on our chicken. I'm just gonna drip off a little bit of excess, and I'm gonna dump it into some plain flour like so. And you want to continue this until all your chicken are well coated up. And once you have them in that flour, go ahead and kind of, you know, compress them a little bit. Make sure they're kind of packed in as far as that flour. You want to make sure it's well coated, guys. Well coated up. And in the background, I got my oil heating up to 350 degrees. Very important, you want to get it to that temperature so you can have the most perfect crispy chicken wings. All right, it's about that time. Our chicken is going in. And I have a very, very important tip for you guys. While your chicken is cooking, don't just let it sit there till that time is up. By the way, we're cooking these for about 10 minutes until they're golden brown. So like I said, do not just let them sit there. You want to, like, every couple minutes kind of flip them and move them around. If you just let it sit on that one side, what's going to happen? The side that's sitting on the heat is going to get burnt. You're going to have one side of your chicken literally burnt, and that's not what we're looking for. We want to even cook, nothing too dark. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you should be looking once you're fully done. This is our first batch. We're going to go ahead and set that off to the side as we move on to our next batch. And wow, this looks so good right here. So good. You got to resist the temptations of taking a bite, because you know we got to get that delicious Mumbo sauce right on top. So our second batch is pretty much done. We're just taking it out of the pan, and wow, this looks amazing. Like I was telling you guys before, this is the recipe right here for perfect fried chicken. We tried all the methods. We tried buttermilk. We tried everything. This is it right here with the club soda. It adds that extra crisp to your chicken, or whatever you want to fry, shrimp, you know, fish, it doesn't matter. This is it. This is what you want to use. Okay, baby. So we're pretty much done right here. Look at this right here. Oh my. Oh my. It is looking bomb, everyone. Bomb, so bomb. Look at this. You can't tell me this does not look good. And we are just going to drizzle some of that Mumbo sauce right on top. And we got a little bit to the side to dip it on into. I don't want to toss it in the sauce because I want it to be crispy. You know what I'm saying? If you kind of toss it, you're going to lose some of your crisp. You know what I'm saying? So we don't want to smother it into the sauce. We're going to drizzle some on top. And again, I have some to dip on the side, and it's looking amazing. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, and you are ready to bust down. You know we got to give it a try, so that's what we are about to do. All right, these are looking good, smelling good. Cannot wait to dig into these amazing wings. Whew, they extra crispy too. I'm trying to tell you, that little breading method that I showed you guys with the club soda, it makes a huge difference. So I have my dipping sauce right here, so you know we're about to go crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip that in like so. I know you hear that crunch. I see what all the hype is about. This is so good. I never even been to DC before, so I haven't had a chance to try this until today. And it's just gas, guys. Pressure, okay? Amazing. You guys have to try this. And you know, flats are my favorite, so we gotta give that a try as well. Wow. That thing is so good. DC specifically, I need to talk to each and every one of your residents right now. What you have here, DC, is special. This should be all over the world. This should be in every restaurant, and we need to give credit where credit is due as far as where it was originated. Wow, you guys got something special on your hands. This is so good right here. And if you, like I said, if you want to kick it up a notch, you can add a little cayenne pepper to the sauce there. If you want a little bit of extra spice, because right now it's more on the mild side, which is cool with me. I don't like my food way too spicy, you feel me? So, but like I said, you could add some cayenne or whatever spice you like to kind of kick it up a notch, you know what I mean? And that would probably be really good as well, because you got all that sweetness in there. It'll balance it out even more. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I sure as heck enjoyed it, because this is so good right here. This is my little lunch for the day, and it is banging. 10 out of 10, must try again. So I hope you guys try it as well. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I will see you all on the next one. Deuces. And don't forget to give me a like to make sure YouTube know you're loving the content. All right now. Peace out. Deuces. Woo!